All right, guys, I'm here with Derek and I'm helping him achieve the first three steps to setting up an affiliate marketing business. This is exactly what I do every single time I start a new marketing campaign with a new client, with a new niche, with a new thing. There's a lot of people out there on the fence. They're like, want to get into affiliate marketing. What would be the first way I get started? What would be the, and if I make it very clear for people here, I'm working with Derek, he's already chosen a product. So we've skipped ahead there. First things first, obviously choose a niche, choose a product. It shouldn't be that hard. Just find something you're interested in selling. For now, Derek has chosen, on my recommendation, he's chosen a program called Profits, Passion Over Profits, right? It's awesome. He's going to get $1,000 commission every time he sells it. If we're starting a brand new affiliate marketing campaign, a brand new affiliate marketing business, new niche, new product, what would be the first thing? Well, they always say in affiliate marketing that the money is in the list, the fortune is in the list, everything is in the list, right? But here's the thing. That saying doesn't specify email list. And what I learned is the fastest way to get started is yes, you have to have a list. What does that mean, actually? We have to find people who would be interested in a product like this, right? We don't want to waste money. We don't want to waste time because a lot of the coaches, programs out there will say, just do organic posting, social media, just post, 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 post every day until somebody somewhere hears your message. That's retarded. I hate that strategy. That takes too much time. And Derek here has a lot of a lot of stuff on your plate right there.
Yep.
We don't have time for that. So instead, we're going to set up a strategic foundation here where we only need maybe 3 or 4 pieces of content and we run that and we're going to use that to build our list. That's all we're going to do first. Smart, 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 not hard. Okay. But first things first, we need to figure out how we're going to build this list, this invisible list, I call it. We're going to take the information on the sales page. This is the sales page of the product that Derek is promoting. So this is the sales page for Pop, the program he's chosen. We're gonna go through and copy and paste this entire page into ChatGPT. I'll give you a little bit of prompting here with that. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
That's
that's good.
fine. Let's just copy and paste the entire thing. It's going to be scribble scrabble, but we'll let ChatGPT figure it all out. Sometimes also, guys, ChatGPT can read a website. The following sales page is of a product I'm promoting as an affiliate, just to give it some context. And I need to figure out 3 to 5 pieces of content that potential customer of this product would be associated with problems they are currently having and solutions they are currently looking for, colon or whatever, and then just copy and paste everything that we got there. But what we're doing this little exercise for is we're trying to find, we're not being stupid about our content. Yes, I agree, organic content, and like getting people to know, like, and trust you, that's part of it. Even if it's not you, and we'll talk, Derek, about whether you're going to be face or faceless, doesn't matter nowadays, but you do need to build a brand. And the first thing around
Right.
that brand is to build in an audience around that brand. This is by far the fastest way to do it. So, okay, it looks like you copy and paste. Let's hit enter. We're going to look for very strategic pieces of content that's going to serve as our bait for our product to get people to raise their hands and say, yes, me, I'm looking for something like that. That's step one. If we can't even do that and the noise of the internet, what are we posting content and stuff for? What are we doing all that for? There's a reason.
Right.
I hate business advice, and I'm a quote unquote guru now for some reason, but I would never give any of you guys straight up business advice, straight to the point advice and say, yeah, post a bunch of stuff. What? There is a reason. There's a business here. The ultimate goal is money. First things first, let's get eyeballs on our content and we need to make it about them. Most affiliates start off on the wrong foot. Like, I don't have results yet. You need to build a list first. What are you talking about? You're jumping way too far ahead. All right.
You
So,
see it now?
this is perfect. So this is the content ideas, how to transition from your 9 to 5 to a profitable online business. I love it. So these are going to be your 3 to 5 content ideas. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to create 3 to 5 minute videos on 3 to 5 of these topics. Could be faceless, totally up to you if you want to have a personal brand. I always recommend personal brand. That's why I do it because you'll always make more money because people see you're a real person and not some AI or something. Yeah, that's just human nature. We want to deal with humans. However, it is working. Many other friends of mine, businesses, people, and I'm experimenting myself with some faceless stuff. So it does work, okay? But it's still the process of brand building and building a list. So we're going to create this content, and this is something you're going to do off this call. But 3 to 5 minute videos on these topics, real quick. Hey, here's my 3 tips on how to transition from 9 to 5 into online business. Here's my, and you know that this is your bait now.
Right.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay, that's gonna be your top of funnel. These can also be YouTube videos, but it's a little tricky with YouTube. Okay, but generally, fastest thing to get up and running: Facebook, Instagram. Just get the word out there, and
Yeah.
we're gonna get video view campaigns. Video view campaigns. This way, we're gonna get video views on these 3 to 5 videos that we put together.
Okay.
We're gonna get those video views for like, man, like a nickel, like a penny. Like they're super, super cheap. They're insanely cheap. Why would we waste money on campaigns we don't know works yet? This is the first testing grounds. Every guru on earth, including some of the ClickBank guys that we know we're talking about, they'll tell you to spend all your money and say test, test, test. That's stupid, right? I'm
Right.
spending my money testing, selling something. That's like the highest risk pot. Like you don't know what works yet. First things first,
Right.
let's get the hands raised. The people that obviously are watching this video or these videos for more than 25% of the video. Now think about that. They're 3 to 5 minute videos, short videos, not super long, but they should be watching for on average a minute, 2 minutes. That means they're generally pretty interested, unless they leave their phone on or something. You know, there's always going to be the exception to that rule. But the
Right.
idea is this is the list that we're creating inside of your Facebook Business Manager, inside of the back end of when you do ads. Everyone knows I'm the ads guy. I love ads. I love cheating with the ad system. You can actually build a custom audience. Go to custom audiences, and that custom audience is going to be people who've watched 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% of these videos. That's it. It's your bait. Every single business owner that I know that's doing 8 figures, crazy numbers, all these seminars I go to, they always say all these small businesses do this stuff wrong. All the lead magnet, all that. The whole idea is to create bait for your business, right?
Right.
For a penny, 2 pennies, you're getting video views, and you're figuring out are these people interested in this type of content? You can reach a very wide audience very fast and get data very quickly on this audience. And guess what your next campaign is going to be? Moving them further down that pipeline, moving them further down that funnel to get to know you and your business and your know, like, and trust. It's not hard. That's why I say, guys, it's $5 leads. I've done this for a long, long time. I spend very little money on ads and I grow my brand organically, but with the power of advertising. I don't have the biggest freaking YouTube channel or any of that stuff. All of my stuff is targeted. I try to find the right people for my product. So I spend very little money on advertising because I'm testing. You know, do they like this? Do they click on this? Do they watch this? I'm tracking you guys. That's what you need to think like, right? It's a business you work on instead of in. We don't just work every day, all day. Every round of campaign has a purpose. Okay, now I've
Right.
created this list. Now here's the retargeting campaign and so on and so forth. And, you know, in my 16-week program, you guys know I go through all of that, all those steps. Derek here is just for pop. He's on an onboarding call, so I want to give him a plan moving forward. That's your first thing. It gave you the ideas. Map out those videos, create them, and your first ad campaign is going to be just creating that invisible list. That's it. You're going to always retarget those people and keep growing that list. And that way, man. So I have like a lot of retargeting lists. If you think about it, YouTube subscribers, anyone that subscribes, I'm sending them ads. And using organic as a force to, hey, you've seen me before, know, like, and trust already. The ads become cheaper and cheaper. My mentor once taught me, you know what subject line, they always talk about email marketing. You know what
Yeah.
subject line gets the most opens? I said,
What?
what? What is it? What's the secret? He said, the name of the from email. I'd never heard anything more profound. You would open it if you knew, like, and trust that person.
Yeah. Yeah.
So brand building is everything online for all affiliate marketers, for all of it. If it's not working, it's because you're not focused on brand building and building relationships. Derek, I think you've been watching my stuff for freaking years, right?
Yep.
So that there's proof in the pudding right there. As you build the relationships, everybody knows what you're about, who you are. That's what you need to do long term, and then you'll never go hungry. And I teach all my clients the same thing. So this is the first steps, and then you know what you have to do afterwards. You just got to follow up, and it's pennies a day, man. It's so cheap. This stuff is so cheap. So yeah, a lot of these ads people don't use or know about. It's really good. Any questions, comments, concerns for now?
Nope. All
All right. If
good.
you need anything else, I'm in the pop group as well, so you can shoot me up, hit me a few questions and, I'll help you out in there as well. But for now,
I appreciate that.
yeah, let's get at least like 1,000 people watching those, which is going to happen fast. They're so cheap, be like $50.